With government-issued types of money being struggling to survive in pandemic and financial downturns posing a potential threat on the world skyline, there has been a predictable ascent popular for computerized content that is very much framed, accessible at a lower cost, and the most dependable. This large number of elements influence rule by one response, the blockchain. No big surprise. This is a result of years-long haul thinking, planning, science, and innovation, all consolidated together. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the advanced guide with date-set achievements and afterward showed beginning of Tron establishment. Look at the Tron coin subtleties before we leap to a definite and more critical glance at Tron cost forecast in the beneath cost diagram. Tron, a definitive definition. The delegated magnificence of Tron blockchain is the local digital currency called Tronix portrayed with an image. TRX structures the foundation of all exchanges among amusement content makers and buyers. Dynamic clients of virtual entertainment. Gaming members are the picked recipients of Tron. Tron adapts client data, and the one-of-a-kind usefulness of Tron is that it is completely decontrolled with no guideline in the setting. Tron is commonly a web-based entertainment stage on which you can make and impart content to anybody. Tron has different 3-layer engineering. 1 capacity layer, 2 application layer, and 3 center layer. Tron, the roots. Tron fostering the primary NFT commercial center in the Tron environments and send-off barters. Tron is the brainchild of Justin Sun, who has shockingly of being the pioneer and president of Tron. One of the biggest blockchain working frameworks present today after Ethereum and Binance Shrewd Chain. An alum from the College of Pennsylvania, Sun has served in Wave as boss guide. No big surprise he welcomes along immense mastery and information on his Lady Crypto Resource project also. He is likewise the long-lasting delegate of Grenada to the World Exchange Association. Reported that the due acknowledgement of the blockchain business by sovereign states will be the last achievement. With blockchain getting up to speed the intensity on the DeFi side of the equator, Tron is available in a larger part of mainlands including the Americas and Asia Pacific and is currently ready to spread wings to different landmasses too. With deeply grounded workplaces set up, the state-of-the-art centralized server of blockchain makes Tron now a heartbreaker of millions of crypto fans from one side of the planet to the other. 74% of retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging CFDs with this supplier. Tron has a designated verification of stake where there are 27 delegates. In view of our Tron cost figure and cost examination, a drawn-out cost increment is normal. The cost visualization for the following 5 years is 22 cents, which is its greatest cost, with a 5-year productive speculation counsel. The income is supposed to be around plus 226.53%, according to our Tron expectation and basic examination. There are great opportunities for Tron costs to reach 11 cents in the year end in 2022. By 2025, TRX could reach 53 cents. Also, as per TRX cost expectation, by the following 5 years over the long haul it will go past that, as indicated by our specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2022, Tron forecast ought to show extraordinary potential and could cross 11 cents as long haul increment. As indicated by Tron forecast, the future cost of Tron could cross 11 cents mark toward the finish of 2023, and throughout the following 5 years, the cost would be 19 cents. The above TRX USD cost graph reflect huge Tron cost changes and the expected push to the Tron cost forecast, which plays a critical part to play in the digital money circle. Presently, incredible news anticipates Tron fans. Another adaptation of Tron organization Viz. Variant 1.0 is carried out. This could reverse the situation and carry a great deal of utilitarian benefits to the whole Tron people group. This will assist with meeting guidelines and profound jump into benefits. As of late, Tron Arcade has been sent off, which is one more diamond in the realm of new Tron rockets. A gaming kitty that qualities up to $100 million as the upper end is planned to give designers a platform bedrock, and furthermore the financial guide expected to build up the Tron organization. The client local area that encompasses this organization are performers, craftsmen, and driving forces of the inventive circle. While the critical improvements have influenced the Tron cost forecast, pushing them in a positive heading, the generally speaking crypto economic situations is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the years to come. An obstacle in the method of the flourishing of Tron digital currency is that it is greatly dependent on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply subject to showcase development. The adversaries of Tron TRX cost Viz. Ethereum, EOS, and Neo are contenders of the equivalent game. Thus, TRX could expect an exceptionally high bonus benefit on Tron as totally dApps and administrative consistence market situated as worldwide guideline. This organization makes diversion content sharing organization. Tron Value Forecast 2022. Instability being at the center of any remaining digital forms of money, Tron is no special case. As specified above, it needs to confront the opposition heat as well as crypto market temperaments. That makes the development pace of Tron cost exceptionally flighty. It is likewise construed that Tron's value force might have a sluggish yet predictable development over the marvelous long-haul procuring potential. It totally relies upon the skill of the devoted group of experts working for this behemoth. A portion of the reassuring Tron forecasts demonstrate that the TRX cost might even twofold by end of 2022, taking the coin to 11 cents in present moment. The Tron cost in the primary half would be 9 cents. On the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great return, TRX can be a choice. In 2022, Tron cost would ascend according to the TRX price expectations. Tron value forecast 2023. As indicated by our own examination and information, Tron cost expectations projects that the TRX USD cost might raise a ruckus around town mark, which will be the base cost for the principal half of 2023, while the cost would be around 19 cents toward the finish of 2023. The base cost of Tron in 2023 would be around 13 cents. The typical cost would be 15 cents. Expectation 2023 will be exceptionally critical. Tron value expectation 2024. The ongoing cost of Tron is exchanging around 6 cents. In the primary, a portion of the TRX cost would be around 20 cents and 22 cents in the final part, very much like TRX coin cost forecast 2023. In 2024, the greatest cost may be around 21 cents and 17 cents as its base cost before the year's over. In view of the drawn-out projections, the cost of Tron will acquire critical level throughout the following 2 years, as indicated by Tron Crypto Expectation 2024. We might see the TRX cost arrive at another high. Tron Value Forecast 2025. An uplifting TRX cost expectations for 2025 demonstrates that the cost of TRX coin could record an astonishing excursion, posting a monstrous development rate. The drawn-out Tron cost expectation in the Tron specialized examination likewise demonstrates that the digital currency will shock its fans by fixing at a normal cost of 24 cents by the principal half of 2025, and in the last part, it might hit 25 cents. The typical cost during the year would be around 24 cents. TRX financial backers truly do think for vital venture. It's anything but a wise venture in the event that you are losing cash quickly and not following the TRX cost estimate. This accompanies a high gamble and complex instruments, which results most dire outcome imaginable. Tron Value Expectation 2026. As per the specialized examination and Tron cost expectations, in the principal half of the year 2026, the TRX cost would be 25 cents. The main inquiry to merchants is that, what will Tron be worth in next 5 years? In light of Tron cost expectation, the coin cost flood is normal in the year 2026 to the greatest cost of 28 cents. In the initial half year, the TRX cost would be around 26 cents. Tron Gauge assists in knowing that how TRX with authoring will exchange the following couple of years. The base value level of TRX crypto in 2026 will be around 25 cents. Tron holds the way into the Tron future value and, supported by an upgraded decentralized Accord and built-up network, Tron TRX cost forecast intends to offer a profound cultivated benefit to its clients through the dissemination of its prizes component. The vision is to help the